Regular maintenance is the key to ensuring your shed enjoys a long and productive life. By establishing a consistent maintenance routine, you can prevent minor issues from becoming major headaches.
Weather is an unrelenting force. Protect your shed by using weatherproof paint, installing gutters, and regularly checking for wood rot. Pests can be just as damaging, so use traps and keep the area clutter-free to deter unwanted critters. You can and should inspect your shed regularly for leaks, cracks, and pest damage. Repaint, reseal, and tighten hardware every few years to prevent wear and keep the roof clear of debris and the foundation dry to extend its life. A well-organized shed is not only functional but also makes your work easier and more enjoyable. By creating a designated workspace, you can truly make the most out of your shed for years to come. Download our ebook today for more information.